Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, August 19th. It's 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time. I have a dentist appointment, so I'm making the video early. I had to reset my Lilu account 2 days ago, so I had to start over, and so yesterday and today is my new combine. And so there was a winner and a loser yesterday, and then today's chart hit its goal of 700, trading my 250 tick line break with a 750 goal. So obviously I had some slippage here, but you can see the trade here. Really nice trade, filtered out by the 14 MA. This lighter colored moving average is a I think it's an 8. No, it's a 10. And I may change it to 10. I would get in the trade a little bit early, so I might have caught this trade off the open, or certainly this one here, because I only have a 3-bar look back, so that is why it waited to get in the trade here. So even though Trader Jim's on vacation, he sent me a couple of charts, and he said while he was out jet skiing, the auto trader was making money for him. And so this is the 10-minute chart, and this is from yesterday. Now, I didn't get filled because I had a 35 tick pullback, and now I realize, you know, why Jim sets it at 20, because sometimes you just get these shallow pullbacks. It happened again today. He also traded the 450 tick with the 1500 higher time frame, and so this hit its goal in 3 trades as well. Another BW client, we'll call him Trader Terry, sent me a 450 tick chart. This one was traded in Sim, but he sent me this chart, and there's some nice trades here. So I had the 10-minute set up to trade today. I had the 10-minute chart set up to trade today, and I forgot to check the boxes, so it didn't trade. But it looks like I would have got filled right here at the 10 o'clock bar. There would have been a 20 tick pullback. Even a 35 tick pullback would have got filled right here, and this would have been a winning trade, but I forgot to enable it. Just wanted to show some other charts here. This is the micro contract on the NASDAQ, and there was a number of trades today. The drawdown was about 175. This is trading 7 contracts, but it recovered from its drawdown and hit its goal. So I have a goal of 400, and this is trading 8 contracts, so 80% of the value is $4 a tick instead of 5. The 500 tick chart hit its goal on a nice open range trade, going short off the open here. This one I changed to a 20 tick pullback. So this did pull back right to the open there, and that was the place to go short. Okay, the 150 tick line break has been impressive, and a couple of trades here. This hit its goal of 750. Now this one has an 8 SMA as a filter. Okay, the E-mini S&P Super Renko 6 with a higher time frame of Super Renko 6 is up 237.50 for the day. It's not done yet, so we'll see how this turns out. Okay, the Super Renko 4 with the Super Renko 8 as the higher time frame is currently long with a P&L of 175, but a losing trade that drew it down 300. So right now it's net minus 100, and there's a lot of time left, so maybe it will recover. We'll see. Okay, Super Renko 8 tick traded right off the open, a long and a short, and hit its goal, I believe, of 600, trading 2 contracts. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.